What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is follow these guidelines. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and watch this video all the way to the very end, and look out for code word that will pop up in this video, and then type that down in the comments below. And once I reach 5,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win some free money. So follow those guidelines and get a chance to win this free money. Now let's get into this video.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you an app that pays $1,000 every day. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor right now and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this app. All right, guys, I'm not going to waste you guys' time. I'm going to go ahead and get right into it. Please watch this video all the way to the very end and look out for the code word that will pop up in this video. So without further ado, let me go ahead and go to this site and show you this app. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, guys, I'm in the Google Play Store and I pulled up the app. And the name of the app is Daily Lottery. So yes, it's a lottery app, but it's a little bit different than the other lottery apps I've talked about in the past. This is a fairly new app. It hasn't been around that long. And so let's go ahead and read a little bit about it right quick. Okay, let me show you some screenshots here. So this one says, play for free and win daily prizes up to $1,000. Isn't that something, guys? And you're going to collect up to 50 free tickets. And as you can see here, it's going to be like pick 6 numbers, quick pick. And here are the numbers that you made to pick. So this is how it looks inside the app. And on the next screenshot, it says match at least 3 numbers to win. So all you have to do is match at least 3 numbers and you will win some money, guys. It's that simple. And match 6 numbers to win 1,000. So all you need to do is just match 6 numbers and you're going to be able to win $1,000. And this is how it looks inside the app right here. Has the game rules and has the match 6 numbers to win 1,000. Match 5, you win 10. Match 4, you win 1. Match 3, you win 10 extra tickets. So if you get 3 numbers right, you get 3 extra tickets to play again. And that gives you a greater chance to win that $1,000. All right, now let's go ahead and scroll down here and read a little bit more about this app. So this is not like any other game. The chances to win is very high. Each ticket consists of 6 numbers between 1 and 56. To win, you should match at least 3 numbers. Daily Lottery is free and does not require any in-app purchases. Well, that's good, guys. And you can transfer the money to your PayPal account or Bitcoin wallet. So you need to have PayPal or Bitcoin. Now, if you don't have PayPal, you can go to paypal.com to sign up. And if you don't have Bitcoin, you can go to this site called Coinbase. So coinbase.com. Now, it also says here the winner ticket is randomly generated before the draw starts. Its hash will be shown in the results page. At the end of the day, the winner ticket will be revealed with the key that was used to hash it. You can verify the integrity of the result by using the numbers of the ticket and hash it with the key given at the end using HMAC-SHA512 algorithm. Now, what they're saying, guys, that you can use this hash. It'll let you know inside the app. You can use this hash to verify that this is not a scam, that the numbers are randomly picked, and it's not like a way to cheat you out of your chances of winning. So you can Google hash it, and it, all the legit lottery apps have this in there. All right, now let's go ahead and go to the review. Now, out of 5 stars, 4.4. Wow. That means this is a very, very good app, because anything over 4 stars is a good app. It's hard to get 5 stars on any app, guys, because a lot of customers have a lot to say about these apps, and it's very, very rare there's an app that's 5 stars. Now, let's look at a review. So this is fairly, like I said before, this app hasn't been around that long. This is fairly new. Here's one review on December 2nd, 2020. Now, this person said, I like the game, though I just got started playing it today. Reasons, it's because I enjoy playing lottery games, and it is amazing that it's free. No lags, no lots of ads like other lottery apps had. And you can just skip ads if you didn't like it. Overall, it's really amazing. Hope I could win too some. Probably trying to say win some too. But see, this person is very happy with the app. They haven't had it that long. It's been some days, but they're very happy how the app operates, and it's going to give them a very, very good chance of winning the $1,000. All right, guys, so I'm not going to read any more reviews. As you can see, it's a lot of good reviews on here. You can come on here on the Google Play Store and read these reviews before you download the app, before you make your decision. But I think you're going to make a good decision when you download this app, because first of all, anybody in the whole world can download this app because it's available everywhere. Anywhere there's a Google Play Store and people have cell phones, you should be able to download this app, and you're going to definitely get a chance to win this $1,000 every single day. And if you don't win that, you're going to get some type of money from this, because you have a high chance of winning this money. All right, guys, that's all I'm going to say about this app. So it's Daily Lottery on Google Play Store. Okay, Grind family, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get 100 likes. That's all I ask, just 100 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this app. I'll be glad to respond to you in the comment section. And please look out for the code word that popped up somewhere in this video. It may have not popped up yet, so please keep watching all the way to the very end. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, Grind family, I want to give a shout out, but you guys didn't leave no creative comment on the last video. So please leave a creative comment in this video along with the code word, and you'll get a shout out in the next video. Okay guys, that's it. One more thing, check down in the description below, guys. I got a lot of cool stuff you guys can check out, and that's going to help you on your journey to make money online and also help you to get some money right away. So check in my description below. All right guys, that's it. Thank you again for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys. I really do. One more thing before I go, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Peace, and have a prosperous day.